In this video, we will be going through the overview function of CERDIK SDK. On top of the tab, we'll be having File, Clock Config, Application and About button. By pressing File button, there will be New File which will load empty paths to selected application so that user able to reselect the intended path from pre-process selection train and test data or by config file itself. By pressing Open File, user will be directed to config folder to choose which config file to be loaded. By pressing Save As button, user will be directed to save config file from the settings modified by the user. Under Load Default Setting, there will be 4 applications supported by this function: face recognition, traffic sign recognition, handwriting recognition and breast cancer classification. And finally Exit button will turn off the whole system. System will boot up by automatically set up the clock frequency. If there is a faulty and unable to show classification result caused by clock frequency, user will be able to set up clock frequency here under Clock Config button. Application button enabled user to select application accordingly. About button will have details information on SDK and developer. Under the tab, there will be 2 green icons referring to the live classification and batch classification. In this part, live classification on traffic sign recognition is demonstrated. Live classification allows user to get real-time classification results. Please be reminded that fitting the traffic sign into the blue camera frame for efficient detection. Please refer to the website on documentation of default traffic sign database. In this part, batch classification on handwriting recognition is demonstrated. Batch classification allows unlimited test samples. Assuming handwriting test data have been inserted via camera input, batch classification can be carried out. User may refer to the Log tab for observing the process of classification. It takes longer time to load large train samples, for instances, 834 train samples in handwriting application. The results of batch classification will be displayed in picture with description form or description form only. Display will be based on the application and data inserted, whether having picture as additional supportive display or not. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye.